Dear student, today I am going to discuss a very common thing which is most important while we study national income. Most of the students do not care because basically it is not used at the time of calculating national income. But without knowing all these things, it is very difficult for the students to solve the problems which is related to national income. We teachers, when we analyze or analysis three methods for measuring the national income, such as income method, expenditure method, product method, at that time first of all we calculate NDP, either FC or GDP MP. In this situation, when that is written on the question paper that you have to calculate net national product at factor cost, during that time most of the students face the problem. So only to solve that problems, a new method is applied here, that is known as conversion. Suppose gross is already you have to calculate from the net. Net is already given, but you have to calculate gross. So in this situation, unless we will not add the depreciation or the consumption of fixed capital, the gross can't be determined. Like that, if we have given the gross but we have to calculate net, so we will go just opposite of it. So gross minus depreciation or consumption of fixed capital is equal to net. So here there is a difference between gross and net. So that difference is determined by the depreciation or consumption of fixed capital. Now another term is the domestic. Suppose the national income you have, but you have to calculate domestic income. So how will you calculate the domestic income? Nothing. We will subtract the value of net factor income from abroad. So whatever the income is generated in the form of factor income from the abroad, that will be subtracted from the national income, and we are capable to determine the domestic income. Like that, if you have the domestic income but you have to calculate national income, in this situation we will add net factor income from abroad. Here, this is the most important term, that is known as factor income. Factor income and transfer income, there are two terms. Transfer income are those income which can be generated without doing the economical activities. For example, I got 100 rupees from my parents as a pocket money, so I didn't do any kind of work, but I got 100 rupees, so it is a part of transfer income. So here the money which was in the hand of my parents, now the same money is present in my own hand. But in case of factor income, so the factor income means there are four factors of production, and that is the reward, and that reward is known as factor income. For example, I am working in Tata Steel, and for that work I am getting a salary or wages. So wages and salary will come under the factor income. So factor income is the reward of factor services. Now come to the market price and factor cost. So if you have to calculate market price from the factor cost, in this situation we will add the net indirect taxes, or if net indirect taxes is not given, in that case we will add indirect tax and we will subtract subsidies. So market price is equal to factor cost plus net indirect taxes, or factor cost plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. Like that, market price to factor cost, means you have to calculate factor cost and the market price is given. So in that case, factor cost is equal to market price minus net indirect taxes, or market price minus indirect tax plus subsidies. So from the conversation, how we will use that conversation? Suppose we have to calculate GDP is given and we have to calculate NDP. So here that is the domestic product and here is also domestic product, but here that is the gross and here is the net. So we have to calculate net domestic product from gross domestic product. So NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. So here NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Like that, suppose we have given NDP to GNP. Okay, so here what you find? Here there is the difference. This is the net, but here that is the gross. Here that is the domestic, but here that is the national. So NDP means net domestic product and GNP is equal to gross national product. So we have to calculate gross national product and we have given NDP, net domestic product. So GNP is equal to NDP, that is already given, and now we have to calculate N to Z, it means plus depreciation, and here D to N means domestic to national, it means plus net factor income from abroad. It is also known as NFYA and somebody says NFIA. So net factor income. So if we have to calculate GNP from NDP, in that case we will use plus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad. Like that, if we have to calculate another, here look, suppose that is GDP MP to GDP FC. So here that is the gross domestic product at market price. So difference is here, that is the MP, and here the same thing, gross domestic product at factor cost. So in every goods you have already seen just below the retail price, and in the bracket also written that is the inclusive of all taxes. So it means market price includes tax, whereas factor cost does not include tax. So how we will calculate the GDP FC? So GDP FC is equal to GDP MP minus NIT, net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes. Or we can say, if that is not given, net indirect tax is not given, in that case we will write GDP FC is equal to GDP MP minus indirect tax plus subsidies. Subsidies. So here we can say GDP MP minus IT plus subsidies. Subsidies. So subsidies is a part which will be provided by the government either only to reduce the cost of production, or sometimes a number of domestic firm faces lots of competition from the foreign companies. In that case, subsidies help them to compete with them, and that's why subsidies will always be included in factor cost. In this way, we can calculate the different GDP to GNP, NNP to GNP, and so on. And the last, that is the most important, everywhere that is written national income. That is already written everywhere. Calculate national income. So in that case, that is written calculate national income. It means what you have to calculate. So national income is equal to NNPFC. Okay? So always remember, calculate national income means we have to calculate NNPFC, not NNPMP. So it is not the national income. It is also considered as national income, that is the national income at market price. So here you will have to calculate always national income means NNPFC. Okay? Thank you.